I'm going to demonstrate the Cypress CySmart iOS app that works with the Cypress Bluetooth Low Energy Evaluation Kit. In a previous video, there was an unboxing of the kit contents with the evaluation board, an additional Cypress module, and the USB dongle. And in the previous demonstration, the USB dongle connected to the evaluation board, and using the CapSense bar, we can illuminate an LED and dim it that was on this board. Now, if you have an iPad or an Android phone to test against with, Cypress has actually created some Android and iOS apps. On the Android platform, there is an app called CySmart, which will be available on iTunes soon once the kit is finally released. So I will go ahead and launch the Cypress app here. I'll go ahead and plug in my battery again, and to start the advertisement mode, I'll just hit this button here, and as you can see, it has found the service. It says here CapSense slider and LED, but the name was cut off, so I'm going to go ahead and select this, connecting to the peripheral. And there's about 3 examples here in this one for this custom profile. There is the CapSense button in proximity, so I'll go and touch this, and it's just a status slider bar to kind of show again the slider CapSense feature here. If we go back out, there's another one called RGB raw view. On this board, the LED that you saw earlier here would actually turn it on, and then we could actually change the colors here. So I want it to be red, so the red, and we have green, and then I can dim it here, turn it on. And then there's the actual raw GAT database of the, so this is acting as a central device. This is the GAT server, but this as a peripheral mode, and actually can read the CapSense slider here. The CapSense slider information is using a notify property. So as the information changes here, it's notifying the iPad app of the position. So I'm going to go ahead and start notify. And I know you probably can't see this here, but the values are changing within the hex values. I can tell it to stop notify, go back out. There's the other characteristics with the RGB light. Remember, just like the other color code, the other portion of the app, I could actually write the value. Let me just go ahead and change it to the fullest brightness here. This is a 4-byte value. I'm going to turn it on to the highest, and there you go. So I'm going to change this color, and so forth. So, and I actually can read back the status and so forth. So this is the iOS app. The iOS app works with the firmware that's directly out of the box here, which is the CapSense and RGB custom profile. But this there are other profiles that this Cypress app can support as well.